What's up, guys? In the last video, we made our WordPress website. We went over all the basics on how to do everything and created these drop-down menus. In this video, we're going to create a contact page. So we're just going to click on the contact page and edit with Elementor. So I already customized this a little bit, but I'm going to show you how to do it with Scratch. So once we're in Elementor, we can get started. So I'm just going to scroll down to add a template and click right here. So this is going to set us up to add our pre-built templates. So to search for a contact page, I'm just going to type in contact. This is going to bring up all the available contact pages. As you can see, the ones that say Go Pro are the paid ones. The insert ones are the free ones. So we're going to look for the free ones in this video. So I'm just going to pick one as an example and show you real quick. So to choose one, I'm just going to click on it and hit insert. Now, once this is inserted into the page, I'm just going to delete the pages that were already in there. And this is what you're left with. So this is the pre-built template. But I want to start from scratch, so I'm going to delete all these sections and go from a completely blank slate. So I'm just going to delete these and hit add template. And I'm going to find one that's relatively simple and new just to show you how easy it is to customize. So let's check this one out. I don't really like this one. So let's keep looking. Let me just find one just for the sake of this video. Let me click on a random one. Let's go with this one right here. Let's just insert it, see what we can do. It's not perfect by any means, but that's the point of this. We're going to customize it to how we want. It's not really the font I want or anything. So once this is inserted, now we can start customizing it. So I don't really need a lot of this stuff. I want it to be really simple. So I'm just going to delete some of this and change the contact font. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go over to style. And I like using the Roboto font, however you pronounce it. I feel like that looks simple, clean, nothing too crazy. And we're just going to put contact us. I'm going to just randomly type in just something I feel like should be like a generic thing on a contact page. Let's just write, email us. We would love to hear from you. That sounds good. Now let me go ahead and put my name down here because I am not Alinda Richards. Now, if you have an actual store, you can put your exact location. I'm just going to type in Las Vegas. I'm not using a store location. I'm just online. So I'm actually going to delete this later. But you type in your location over there. And I'm just need to change this text. I'm just going to put, we'll respond to you soon. We'll respond to you in 24 hours. So now I'm going to keep going. I'm just going to scroll down, and I really don't like this. I don't have anything to order, so I'm going to delete that. Now I want to put something in its place. I'm going to put some social icons. So I'm just going to go search for social icons and drag it over. And it's really that simple. In the last video, I showed you how to customize those and add links to it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download the Contact Form 7 plugin. So we're going to go back to the dashboard and go to Plugins, Add New. And we're going to search for Contact Form 7. And as you'll be able to see, it's been downloaded millions of times. It's a very popular plugin. So I'm just going to click Install. Then I'm going to click Activate. And then what you have to do is go over to Contact. And then you're just going to copy this shortcode right here. And we're going to go back to the site. I'm going to go up to the elements. I'm going to search for the short code, and I'm going to drag that over. And then all I'm going to do is paste the short code right there and hit apply. Now, as you can see, it pops in the contact form. And I just want to customize it a little bit. So I'm going to right click, edit section. I'm going to change the width right here. I like it right there. I think it looks good. So now I'm going to go check it out on the live site, see what it looks like. So we're going to go contact. I think it would help if I updated it. Let's go click update. Let's go back to the live site. And as you can see, if we scroll down, the contact form is in there. It's looking good. It's not perfect yet. I still want to change some things around, customize it a little bit more. I just want to show you what you can do. You can go over here to the navigator. You can move the sections around with the navigator just like this. Just drag it and drop it. And this is a really quick way to edit. So I'm just going to do this until I like the way it looks. And then I'm going to click update. Now we can go back to the live site and see what it looks like. So let's scroll down and we have to hit refresh. So it's starting to look a little bit better. I still want to make some changes, but it looks a little bit better. So let's go down here and I want to remove this. Now I like the way it's starting to look. I'm just going to play around with the sections and see what looks clean. So this looks too blocky up here. I want to move this down here. I like that. That looks good. Now I want to move these social icons. So let's check out and see how that looks. So let's go back over to the live site, click refresh. So we have our social icons down here. I'm not sure about this map, but I like the way it looks. Now you have your option to email, your name, your email, subject, your message, and then you click send. I think I'm going to remove this. It's just something about it I don't like. So I'm going to keep it very minimal, just where it says contact, and then you can send a message and then hit the social icons if you want. So I'm just going to leave it there. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. And I will see you in the next video.